been going a little derangedly lately. There is such a word, I'm not even sure. Anyhow, I'm telling you, my friends and fellow Americans, that time has gotten a little constrained lately, and that we're dealing with a very difficult issue. And the issue is that the fact that small green army men, equipped with small little embryonic imprinting software and microchips, have made their way onto many vessels and boats in the Western Pacific. These little tiny green army men, they are fully capable of destroying several thousand men and women within minutes, once trillions upon trillions land on our shores. There may be only one way to stop them, and we have devised a new robot. This here, the Iceman, model 6P32. In itself can destroy most things. It is equipped with several different armaments. One is an arm, the other is a leg, and another arm. These are very dangerous tools that are used to destroy the opponent without vigor. And this here is a weapon that we use for pumping up tires on small bikes and automobiles. Anyhow, as you can see, the threat is very real. Pain and suffering are indicative of this. We must destroy it at all costs, folks. I say now bye from the White House. Take care.